uJulius Malema akasabuthi quthu ubuthongo kuvela ama-WhatsApp messages kwiMadlanga Commission aveza inkulumo ezibucayi eziphakathi kwakhe nezikhulu zamaphoyisa. Zingahle zimkhalele owalala nembuzi yazala izinyane elisamuntu maqede walibulala. Kanti iKhaya M Project isaloku ihambe phambili njalo kwi-alternative source of energy installations.
SA News with TK Zuma.
Sinibingelele sinamukele endabeni ze-SA News no TK Zuma. Sanibonani. uJulius Malema akasabuthi quthu ubuthongo kuvela ama-WhatsApp messages kwiMadlanga Commission aveza inkulumo ezibucayi eziphakathi kwakhe nezikhulu zamaphoyisa onguGeneral Khan kanye noSayan Mohammed. uJulius Malema wemadoda kithi, what a time to be alive. Hey, you know, it's very fascinating to watch uJulius Malema playing the ultimate champion of the African child, while knowing very well that his political strings are pushed by these wealthy Indian handlers. People who don't even like the color of his skin. Julius Malema for you. Nanga ma message avelile. How ironic to preach economic liberation while operate under corporate ownership. That's a masterclass of political theater. I mean, I've been leading a student command, but I knew when to leave the stage. Because I work with common sense, I work with logic. Zimdefendeke lezi zinto because I'm fighters angwazanjani. I'm fighters, they are not defending the revolution. They are not even defending the party. They defend the leader. Supreme leader, CIC. Bazomphikela bangaze bakubeka umbese bangakubulala labana bedefenda nje uMalema. Nanga ama messages avelile. What a time to be alive with political landscape yase South Africa. Hey, African child, one Africa, one currency, open the borders, or my foot, uyazi yena ukuthi uyasebenza. Nimvikele. Uyamkhumbula uMalema wathuka kanjani uGeneral Mkhwanazi ethi siyakwazi ukulokhuzana ukuretrieve ama messages even kuthiwa bekuyi-view once noma kuthiwa usuwadelete kanjani siyakwazi ukwathola. You delete, we retrieve. Uyamkhumbula wathuka kanjani wazicofisa ifoni kuyathoka. Kuthe sekufika uGeneral Fani Masimula wambuza wamkhumbula wayenjani ebusweni kona play that video. Uthi Masimula kuyiqiniso kangakanani ukuthi niyakwazi ukuretrieve ama messages ku WhatsApp. Umkhwanazi wasitshela kanjalo. Umbona ukuthi uthukile, uyazi ukuthi wayithuswa yini. Siqolise. Mbukeli nansi le video la khona uJulius Malema ayebuza uGeneral Fani Masimula ukuthi kuyiqiniso yini okushiwo umkhwanazi ukuthi they can retrieve ama messages WhatsApp.
General Mkhwanazi told us that you guys can search WhatsApps, including a view once and deleted WhatsApps and all of that. Do you have an equipment like that as subs or
Kuvela izinto ezishaqisayo kulama messages WhatsApp abefundwa kwiMadlanga Commission enkulumo eziphakathi kukaGeneral Khan kanye noJulius Malema. Kukhona la kuvela khona ukuthi uMalema wacela uGeneral Khan ukuthi ayobopha noma afacilitate ukuboshwa kwama leaders eOperation Dudula ababelwa nama illegal foreigners kuleli. Kwaphinda futhi kwavela niyayikhumbula iVBS leli bank lase Limpopo lele laluthwa kwasolakala yena futhi uMalema benoshivambu esaku-EFF. Kuthiwa kukhona la ekuvela khona ukuthi uMalema wabuza uKhan wathi ubani ovula icala, ubani omangalile wavula icala le corruption kuzoze kuluthwe iVBS bank. uGeneral Khan wamthumelela igama nesibongo ngisho neaddress. I wish usaphila yini lowo muntu. I mean, I wish to know ukuthi usaphila yini lowo muntu. Nanto udaba.
Julius Malema allegedly told a police general to arrest Operation Dudula members. That's according to evidence before the Madlanga Commission. Operation Dudula members were planning to remove undocumented foreign hawkers. Malema wanted them arrested immediately. Testimony shows Malema had a direct line to suspended crime intelligence boss Major General Feroz Khan. Unencrypted transcripts show Kaniling's executive Mo Sayed forwarded Malema's WhatsApp messages straight to Khan, some meant for the police minister himself. And here's the biggest claim. Malema allegedly asked who was behind a VBS Bank case against him. Khan allegedly gave him the man's home address. A suspended general, secrets straight to Malema.
Ikhaya M project isaloku ihambe phambili njalo kwi-alternative source of energy installations. Ikhaya M project edume kakhulu ngoku-installa ama-solar, uyazi laba abantu indlela abawushanga khona umsebenzi wabo. Seziningi kakhulu indawo esengiyibonile nami njena ngiwomunye wama-clients abo asabeke bangenzela umsebenzi oyingqathu. Bafethu akekho umuntu ongayidingi alternative source of energy kule South Africa esiphila kuyona. Uyadinga nje ukuthi ube nogesi wakho nje useceleni. So ba install ama-solar. Ikhaya M project inkampani esimkantshubovu kwi-solar installation. Sitholakala yonke indawo, akukho lapho singafiki khona. Sifika qathatha. Kungaba ibhizinisi, inkampani noma imizi emncane noma emkhulu. Sifika qathatha. Uma kuukuthi nawe you want to switch into solar energy, xhumana nathi ngokusheshsha. Singongqondongqondo kulo msebenzi. Ikhaya M project. Switch to solar energy with us.